So very good afternoon to all of you present here. I welcome you all to this another episode of the Brainery, which shines to guide through the journey of insurance. एक सर्वे के अकॉर्डिंग ऑलमोस्ट आधे इंडियंस के पास स्कूटर या मोटरसाइकिल है विच इज 47% इन नंबर, जिसमें से 60% लोगों का जो टू व्हीलर है दैट इज अनइंश्योर्ड एज पर द रिपोर्ट ऑफ जनरल इंश्योरेंस काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया। अब रीजंस इसके बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं एंड वन ऑफ द रीजंस इज लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, और इसीलिए आज हमारे साथ इस ब्रेनरी सेशन में मौजूद है मिस्टर वेंकटेश, who is co-founder and CEO of VOC Automotive, which is a two-wheeler insurance company. He has experience of more than 12 years. So I welcome you, Mr. Venkatesh, to the session.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, great. So I'll begin my session with the very first and very basic question: importance of two-wheeler insurance. बहुत से राइडर्स यहाँ पर भी हमारी स्क्रीन पे एंड आई थिंक सभी के पास टू व्हीलर है। सो आई विल आस्क यू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टू व्हीलर। कि आपको क्या लगता है व्हाई दिस टू व्हीलर इंश्योरेंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट? इफ यू कैन गिव अ ब्रीफ ओवरव्यू ऑफ इट।
Yeah. Since as you mentioned already, we are representing VOC Automotive. So we are two-wheeler service company where we are seeing a multi-brand like Hero, Honda, Bajaj, Suzuki, Yamaha, TVS, and Royal Enfield. So basically, if this insurance makes your life easy when the problems comes, this everyone knows about it. But as the customer, the riders, if you rider point of view, it should be as a owners should be cost anyway I'm spending that should not be happen after accidents. For that we should have a insurance. That is the one point. Second thing is in terms of theft or in terms of damages, this kind of unforeseen situation comes in as a market or as I'm a rider. It someone should be there or something should be there for me to protect, as if you want to tell as a layman. So since as you mentioned as a statistics already, two-wheeler market in India, it's Asia's number two. If you take as Asia number two market, there if you go for middle class segment is more like 110cc to 400cc. So middle class means here the cost of living is again it's one of the major part for each and everyone. So if insurance is there, that will be more on benefit for saving from unfortunate course of action or unfortunate situation, unforeseen situation for any riders. So it will give us a trustable source for us as an insurance.
Okay, great. So if like adding to this only, you talked about the benefit, like why it's important. So if I say what type of insurance coverage available for us, what like for two wheeler we have third party, we have, I think somebody's mic is on. If we can mute that in the background. Sorry for the interruption. Great.
जब तुम मेरी नहीं सुने तो तू भी कैसे?
I'm sorry.
वो तो मुझे पता चल
Host, can you please mute the mic of like the background? Somebody's mic is on. Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption. Great. So we were talking about insurance. So can you share what type of policies are there? Like we have like third party insurance है, comprehensive है. कई बार लोग एक कोई first party involvement भी बता देते हैं. तो can you brief कि क्या segments हैं insurance के?
So as a typically two-wheeler customers, like we have two kind of things. One is like third party, one is for comprehensive. So third party is its name itself implicates for you. It's a covering for as a damage which is caused for others. That is for third party insurance. If you go for comprehensive, it will be like a own damages which is happens to as a vehicle. Then it will cover third party person also, which is a damage is caused for them in terms of vehicle, in terms of the property. Or then one more thing I want to bring you in a notice is, so in terms of comprehensive, it covers natural disasters, natural calamities. Because like 2018, I can remember I was working in Honda. That time in Kerala, we have one flood came. That time it's like a natural disaster only, where like so many customers, they paid like thousands of rupees, 20,000, 30,000 because they doesn't have an insurance. This happened live example in Honda. Basically, it's a huge vehicle. We got flooded vehicles. So we found that time almost 30 to 40% of customers doesn't have insurance.
Okay.
That is how it is. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's as you asked, like 2 points are there. One is third party insurance, one is comprehensive. Comprehensive, it will covers more on like overall third party plus us as a own of yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's why the name is comprehensive, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Moving ahead, so we are talking about insurance types. Now, if I talk about the claim process, so can you walk us through the process of a policyholder, which the policyholder goes through the process of claim in two-wheeler insurance? If you can brief that.
Yeah, definitely, madam. See, this is quite interesting in this statistics and market,
Hmm.
especially in India market. See, if you go for as a VOC, like we are, as I mentioned, we are doing a two-wheeler service, all brand of two-wheeler services. So we are getting all brand of customers are coming for accidental claims.
Hmm.
Okay, so if you see in that point of view, so as a VOC, we will be looking at as a customer should be as a problem free as a customer point of view, where if any insurance if you purchase also, we will take care of that responsibility to discuss with that insurance company. Then after that, we'll make sure that the customer can discuss with them once. Then we'll do the background documentation in terms of RC, this everything we'll check. Then will same thing will be processed with them also as the insurance companies. Then they'll be sending their surveyors, the person who can do the auditing of it. Then after that, if it is cashless, means cashless will come or it will be goes to that particular customer. So this is majorly majorly is necessary as a process. Now the customer should discuss with the insurer. Then after that, the process will goes on. So it's very simple. Insurance, then auditor, other
Okay.
surveyor, then it comes as a claim, then it will come as a settlement. If
Okay.
that is fitment for as per the need of customers.
Okay. So basically, like it's not as difficult as it used to be, or as it is considered by most of us, right?
Yeah,
It's
earlier it is very difficult.
okay.
It's like for within 2015-16, I'm talking about that
Uh-huh.
time digitalization is very less. Okay. So that time that if you want to search on so and so company of insurance,
Hmm.
it's a very difficult to touch with them or touch base with them. Now it's
Hmm.
become very easy, very friendly. Just like one call away, one message away.
अच्छा,
That is how it
हाँ,
is.
yeah, because everything is online, तो चीजें बहुत ज्यादा easy हो चुकी है, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Coming to the next one, तो क्योंकि क्लेम की बात कर रहे हैं, बट ऐसा भी होता है कई बार कि सारी चीजें कवर नहीं होती है when we go for claim. So would you mention कि कौन से exclusions हैं जो टू व्हीलर इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी का पार्ट हो सकते हैं?
Yeah, definitely, madam. See, basically, if you go for as accident, we know that it will be friend damage or it will be like body parts, this damage it will happen. But most of the customer will they will come and ask about wear and tear parts like
Okay.
spark plug, air filter, brake shoe, brake pad. These are the wear and tear parts. And then each and every insurance company or like our service center people also knows that wear and tear parts it won't be exposure in accidents any
Okay.
point of movement also. Okay, that is the one is wear and tear parts. Second
Okay.
thing is mechanical breakdown, which is it's quite often it will happen.
Hmm.
So third thing is like this is a they will be aware about it each and every nowadays so many portfolio so many marketing is going on in terms of we should not drink and drive alcohol or drugs. So this kind of situation, so if you go for FIR that kind of a time, so this can't be covered as a this will be a 100% exclusion. So one is
Okay.
and the next thing is this the addiction means alcohol or this kind of addiction. So this kind of situation, I think what we saw in the market also, well, it won't be covered under as a claimable situation.
Okay. So these things come completely like exclusion, drinking, driving, and all.
Yeah, because
Uh,
this should be educated in properly because wear and tear parts is most of customer will come. Okay, we are
exactly.
if you see is per month we are doing around 12,000 vehicle service. In that 5 to 8% we are doing as is accidental vehicles. In that customer they will come and ask to change the air filter, change the spark plugs. So
Okay.
this is one area we need to give a training months or education or information somewhere so that it will be easy for customers because customer while purchasing insurance, no, they won't see this exclusions definitely.
Exactly.
If you are a customer, if I
Nobody
have,
has time even exactly, you're right.
yeah,
People don't have, yeah, yeah, yeah. Please continue.
yeah. So as a customer, if both of us, like we won't see definitely, but When it comes to the climbing part, they will be coming with so many expectations stating that I can replace this, everything. So
Okay.
that can't be possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, like you mentioned, there are certain exclusions. तो अगर let's say कि इंजन है तो अगर वो कवर नहीं है, now is there any possibility कि उसका कवरेज मिल जाए, और is there any possibility कि मैं अपनी पॉलिसी को endorse कराऊं या फिर उसमें कोई एड ऑन ऐड करूं कि मेरी पॉलिसी का जो कवरेज है वो एनहेंस हो जाए? Is there any
Yeah.
chance?
See, if you go for as a in terms of add-ons, okay. So basically, it will comes as a one is everyone knows about as a zero debt.
Okay.
Okay, zero depreciation. Everyone talk about it. That is called one add-on. It's like everything it will covered from. We will tell us in a local means understandable market is bumper to bumper. That is how
Okay.
we'll call it as a zero debt. That is the one thing. Then after this accident it happens, no. After this accident happens, so the person, the rider is unattended. So if he having a RSA, that will be very well for him to get into in a very faster nearby hospital, or very faster the vehicle can be go nearby service centers.
Okay.
So this is what,
Roadside assistance cover you're talking about, right?
yeah,
RSA.
that is
Okay.
one. Roadside
Okay.
assistance, that kind of format, that kind of add-ons, if you have as a customer, it will be easy for him to go into safer mode, because
Okay.
usually this accident will takes place on majorly on highways. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is the one thing. Second thing is there no one will be there for attending you,
Hmm.
because that is will be late night. This other situation, so someone should be there. That is RSA. That kind of situation, that kind of person is available. Then that kind of add-on if you have, then you will be safer.
Okay. Fine. So this is the part like you talked about endorsement and add-ons. Now, can we come to a point where we have no claim bonus also? Because when you go to file a claim, or when you even go for premium to pay it, you'll find that there is something called no claim bonus. तो अगर
Yeah,
मैं being a good rider, मैं claim free record रखती हूँ अपनी पूरी जर्नी में, राइडिंग जर्नी में, how will that impact? How will that no claim bonus work?
yeah. See, in terms of in a market, like as a two-wheeler customer, if again I will come in that only. So as a two-wheeler customer, majorly if you go for as a no claim. So if I didn't claim anything, definitely insurance companies are having a one offer called no claim bonus. Okay, so that is like it will be reduce your premium amount also. That is the one
Okay.
advantage where you have as a non-claim bonus. So where you have you didn't claim anything, and then you went for regular services on periodically. This everything is as results into is a good amount of one is discount, one is your premium, and then what you called your the OD, and then in terms of your vehicle will be validated in a good position. So if my vehicle is
Okay.
around 80,000 rupees when I purchase as a new vehicle, so if you have a
Okay.
no claim, that time your vehicle value will be reduced, it will be only 10 to 15%. That's it. Not more than
Okay.
that also. That
Okay.
it gives means this NBO means no claim bonus, it will gives you as a overall vehicle valuation also as a one of the major advantage.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you for putting the light. Coming ahead, if we talk about, क्योंकि हम अगर जैसे आपने अभी बताया कि हम नो क्लेम बोनस का रिकॉर्ड अगर मेंटेन करते हैं, we get like a premium like reduced. Now, if I say that I have to renew my policy, and if I get delayed in that, what will happen? What impact will be there? So if you can share, like explain the importance of policy renewal for two-wheeler insurance. Uh, yeah.
Yeah. See, in terms of labs, no. So labs, in the sense like what we observed in the market, like almost there it will be like new vehicle only we are doing a inspection. Like they will come do the inspection, and then if it is labs comes in picture, then again driver protection it won't be there only. Okay, as if I'm a rider of two-wheeler, so I will feel first is insecure. So because I will be traveling irregularly, if I'm an executive, a sales and marketing, daily I will be going 150 to 100 to 150 kilometers. Then if
Hmm.
I'm long driving, I'm going somewhere like 500 kilometers, 400 kilometers, like this situation, I'll become as an unsecured person. That is the first point. Second point is if you go for in terms of a renewal process, it will be like again inspection will takes place. Again, the guy will come and check everything. Then we doesn't have any proper condition in terms of no claim bonus also. So we can't have any benefit of no claim bonus.
Bonus.
And then in terms of it will affect us overall vehicle value also valuation.
Okay.
Again, that is how it is.
Okay. So like
It's a
it will
part of
also
cycle.
impact. Okay. 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 Got it. Thank you. Fine. Let's come ahead for the next question. So, in your opinion, what are the some emerging trends or what innovations will be there in two-wheeler insurance industry that we, the audience, should be aware of?
See, in either positive way or negative way you're talking about.
You may share in both the ways. So, for positive side, you may share that what should be excited for, and for negative side, you can share what we should be taken care of.
See, in terms of nowadays insurance, you can see right. So many companies are came in picture. Like so many companies are available. So if you open like portal, so many insurance are available. So you should choose proper thing in terms of 0 day. This under consideration you should do 100%. 0 day and then no claim bonus, and then in terms of uh, what you called one is 0 day bonus, no claim bonus. One next thing is add-ons,
In
proper add-ons for
okay,
your vehicles. This is a
okay,
one side. Other side is nowadays so many data are available in the market. It's
yeah,
everyone talking about AI, so artificial intelligence. The data is available, so it's an open market now. Almost data, if I put now only vehicle registration number, entire data will be fetched out, and then now the next level, that system only giving us option which insurance I should go according to
okay,
last preference. That is called the AI. Okay. So next thing is now everyone talking about blockchain technology as a future. So
yeah,
that will gives you more transparency in this industry.
okay,
Okay. So here, whatever it may be as a rider, I should have a basic knowledge of insurance, why it is required, because so many changes will happen because last 10 years what is the insurance now, what is the insurance, something different. Okay,
exactly,
so it should become as a commodity.
okay,
Insurance should be become as one of the commodity where everyone opt for it, not for like as a traffic rules, not for
yeah,
as a okay something it's happening I should purchase, then police is coming. It's not because of that, because when we see as a customer, they will go for as a you give me least premium,
okay,
you give me third party. Okay, this is the discussion they will do it as a customers because I
okay,
think last 3 years, 4 years only, I think comprehensive, and then every year we can renew third party like that they given. But before that, there is no this facility. So they
yeah,
should take comprehensive plus third party both they should take. So nowadays the customer should be taken as a third party with add-ons, and then not should go for as a minimum premium. You give
okay,
me lesser premium. That kind of
yeah,
situation should not go. As a positive, data is available, AI is available, blockchain technology is available. Everything is as a very good because human intervention is reduced, data accuracy, everything is there. Other side,
exactly,
I am a customer. I should purchase insurance for my protection, not for
exactly.
what you call police protection.
Police, exactly, exactly. You're right. So that has been there. And I think for that, it's very important that we, audience should be aware because
Yeah.
insurance has been a very big myth. For now, as you mentioned, technology is changing. Definitely, these myths are also being broken, right? Okay, let's move ahead for my last question, which I have for you. So, if you say, how do these safety features and the practices impact two-wheeler insurance policy? And if there is any discount available for riders who prioritize safety, like no claim bonus, we already talked about, but
Yeah.
adding to technology, for example, let's say if there is a bike and we have a theft technology, we have to protect the theft, we have a technology, we have a specific lock.
Anti-theft.
So
Yeah.
for such features, yeah, for such safety feature, do you think there is a discount available for such riders who prioritize safety for their vehicle?
Correct. See, basically, in terms of if you go for as a vehicle, So insurance, everyone knows about like if theft is happen, I can claim insurance. And if the disasters happen, I can claim insurance. If accidents happen, I can claim insurance, right? So other side, we can have a counter actions. Like I purchase the insurance, I can have a anti-theft alarm. So nowadays in market is very easy to get it. And then
Okay.
nowadays the CV vehicles also comes in as a market. So almost each and every vehicle they're using anti-theft alarms. That is
Okay.
the one thing. And then mobile, so many mobile apps, so many companies are coming as a new technology. Second thing is like regular usage of helmet. It will reduce your life risk also as a
Yeah.
insurance point of as a customer point of view.
Mhm.
So in terms of the features, apart from this, we have so much of discounts. Like one of you already you told no claim bonus. That is the best discount we have already in the market. So apart from this, we have a different discounts which is available already for each and every insurance.
Okay.
So nevertheless, so we should think as a rider. I should not go for accidents. I have to avoid the accidents. So we should go and follow as a means government policies.
Policies.
If accidents, everyone knows as a unforeseen situation. It's not a forced situation.
Yeah.
That time, then theft also it's happened. Not like daily that thief will come and check your vehicle. So this is
Exactly.
the precautions. So precaution is better than cure. So as a
Exactly.
two-wheeler rider, I should take a precaution of my vehicle with the already proven problems in the market.
Okay. And
Yeah,
this is why I should be rewarded being a good rider,
yeah.
right? Okay.
That
Thank
actually
you.
that policy
Yeah.
should start from SMC now. So
Yeah.
as a if a good rider, we should acknowledge them, and then we should make them because nowadays you're seeing right in terms of in Karnataka especially uh,
Okay.
like traffic rules and then it's very stringent, and then
Yeah.
Kerala market is very stringent traffic rules in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
So here that in terms of imposing penalty also in the higher. Okay.
Okay.
So this is just out of the topic of insurance. Okay,
Yeah.
so with this regards, like as a citizens of Indians or citizens of that particular state, so if you start doing as one what you call appreciation towards from insurance company to that particular
Yeah.
riders, it will be small only. It's not a bigger.
Exactly.
So definitely it
That
will
will
give
impact bit.
motivation. Yeah, motivation. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. Agree.
Yeah.
Agree. Okay, thank you for mentioning your words. For now, I'll be taking the questions from audience. So I'll take a minute. We'll take a minute. If audience have any question from sir, they can come ahead. They can chat. You can drop your queries, everyone, if you have any questions to be asked. We can take a few seconds till the time, Mr. Venkatesh. I would like you to share a few tips at the end of the session, which can help our audience to be a aware audience, you can say, or
Mhm.
an educated audience, or you can say a good rider. I would say a good policy holder. So, what tip would you like to share at the end of the session?
As a rider point of view or insurance point of view.
You can share as a rider point of view. So let's say I'm a rider and how I should be. I'm a rider and I'm also a policy holder. So what tip would you like to share with me being a policy holder or as a rider?
Yeah, see, one thing is as a rider, we should follow the traffic rules. That is 100%. That is which we can't
Yeah,
avoid.
you
Apart
mentioned.
from that, as a rider, we have a responsibility of like we should not become as a. I'm not blaming any city, but
Yeah.
we should not become as a one of the Delhi.
Hmm.
Okay. I mean, I'm
Okay.
talking about on pollution aspects, not any
Exactly.
other aspects. Pollution
Agree.
aspects. If you do regular service in a service center, authorized service centers, trustable service center, definitely you'll be emitting less CO emissions. Okay.
Exactly.
That is the one part of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance, it will affect to in insurance only.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you have a regular maintenance, regular health checkup, definitely your vehicle condition is very good. So when we are going in a highway or when you're going in any road, you'll be maintaining the speed or braking system, everything is working. That
Yeah.
time we can avoid accidents. That will result into no claim bonus. That time you will be getting a good premium, good amount of vehicles of your vehicle will be in a good situation, as a better
Okay.
situation. And then lastly, you will become as one of the citizens where you are following your rules, and then it will gives you as a rider. I'm proud to be as a two-wheeler rider because
Yeah, yeah.
I went for Ladakh. Okay, so that time, so they will be taking rental vehicles, right?
Okay,
So
yeah.
they some of the companies they will maintain very good stringent protocols like
Okay,
insurance, braking system, everything they will check.
okay.
So this kind of rental companies also they should follow this kind of situation. This kind of system means it will be easy because a couple of times what will happen? No? So we'll be overlooked. Okay, even two-wheeler
Exactly.
also actually overlook will be there. We should avoid about it because we don't know accident when it will come.
Exactly, exactly. You're right.
All right.
So it's like
So
taking, yeah,
as
please
a
continue.
as a two-wheeler customer, so if you're thinking if you want to make us become as a good rider or become as a good market as a contributor
Yeah,
for the city, we should follow the rules. And then definitely you should think about your vehicle service. Definitely it will result in your insurance. You can reduce the accidents. So then you can be as a good one of the insurance took in that particular year
yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
there won't be any accidents.
Exactly, exactly. And I
Yeah.
think it's like a small action and a lot of benefits will be there for it, right? Okay,
Because brake
great.
failure, so many vehicles have got accidents. You can, I think you know better than me, I guess.
Yeah, like you can mention specifically if you have idea about it.
So in terms of like brake failure, brake only. So nowadays we have a two types of brake in two-wheeler. One is like
Okay.
disc brake, one is drum brake. Okay, when
Hmm.
the drum brake comes in as everyone using, right? That time its accidental chances are very less chances.
Okay.
When you go for disc brake, what will happen? Unknowingly, we'll be pressing as a front brake. It will
Yeah.
result into larger kind of accidents,
Okay.
which we noticed under that vehicles which we are getting, right? Accidental vehicles. We are having a survey of it. Why, how it has happened. So in
Okay.
that 5 to 8% or is in terms of this braking issue only.
Okay.
It's like a more on disc brake.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Right?
Got it.
Because unknowingly, whenever that accident comes in a collision, no, that time what will
Yeah.
happen? We supposed to press front brake.
Brake only. Yeah.
That is only
Exactly.
we are
Right.
doing it. That is actually
Exactly.
wrong practice. We should do back brake. So if you
Exactly.
do a
Exactly.
back brake, no, then this problem will be sorted out. So
Okay.
that's the one issue we are seeing as a I think 8%, I guess.
Okay. And that's
Yeah,
why you mentioned that precaution is better than cure. And I think it's
yeah,
really important that we get the service of our vehicle on time so that we avoid such kind of incidents, right?
yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Venkatesh. It was nice talking with you. I think audience, like you have resolved all the queries of our audience. Thanks for being with us, and we wish you a good day ahead. If you
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you for your time.